Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. It's Wednesday, September the 29th, 2021. Yes, almost end of the month. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular Sudokus. The first one is a binary, then we have a medium Sudoku, the third one a killer Sudoku with two given numbers. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with 6 extra Sudokus, and 3 of them I will solve. But first we will solve these regular Sudoku, and this one, the binary, will be number 3462. Yes, 3462. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Oh, mistake. Aha. How can I make this mistake, stupid mistake? Between two O's comes an 1 and not comes an O. Alright, so this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright, this is dry. So this should be a 1. Okay, so between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes in one. Double O here, one there, one. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this should be a 1. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Finish in 6 minutes. All right. Great binary. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku and medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.